In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your last seen status so other people can't tell when you were last active. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now, tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings, then tap on Privacy. Under the Privacy menu, you'll see options like Share Online Status and Send Seen Status. To hide your last seen activity, turn off Share Online Status. You can also turn off Send Seen Status if you don't want other people to know when you've read their messages. Once these settings are disabled, your activity and read status will no longer be visible to other Viber users. And that's it. Now you know how to hide your last seen status on Viber for better privacy. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, privacy settings, and how-to tutorials.